The 2008 Dodge Ram 1500. With just over 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the competition. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Dodge are offered, including delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, and much more. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.